That's a GTI. Welcome back to the channel. Oh, so nice out. Almost springtime in Vermont. What is good, boys? Welcome back to another video with your boy. If you guys are new here, my name is Chris. We do Volkswagen egg stuff here. We go fast. We have a good time. If that's something that interests you, go hit the button. You know, do the thing. Welcome back. It's been a minute. Your boy's back. I haven't showered today. I'm kind of looking homeless, but that's okay. The usual. That makes for a good video. So for those who do know and follow along with the channel, I have a bunch of stuff coming. I'm just trying to figure out the right way to have it ordered. And we're doing wheels, coilovers, and a wrap and a bunch of stuff, but I want to fix all the little things. That way, like when I do wrap it, the paint is actually protected and it's ready to go. Plus the weather's trash here, so I'm trying to plan it all accordingly. That way everything flows together. You know what I'm saying? A lot of money at one time. Anyway, today, I wanted to try something because I haven't done it since the car was stock. And I think even then, it was the first mod I did on this car. I put the ECS blow-off valve spacer in this, and then I got the Turbo Smart blow-off valve. And ever since then, I've always run a blow-off valve. I've never run the stock diverter valve. And obviously everybody says stock diverter valve is the best thing to run on this, and it's the fastest thing. We're gonna find out today. Should you buy, yo, look at the lighting. A blow-off valve and waste your money for the sound? Or should you run a stock diverter valve? We're gonna install the stock one, put it back in. Never in my life have I put something stock back in. That's weird. This will be a backwards video, but let's do it. We'll top off some fluids. I just put new plugs in the other day. Yeah, we're a little low on coolant per usual. I think we should probably double check oil too, and yeah, let's do it. Currently running the Turbo Smart blow-off valve. Yeah, we're gonna put the stock one in, see how she parties. Of course it's not an 8. Why would it be? Yo, I get so excited about new tools. Even just little stuff like a nice ratchet. Yum! What? Why is that not a 7, but these are? Yo, Volkswagen, best rain guard tray for tools, 100%. Yo, is this our first ever back to stock video? Look at that clean ass engine bay. Use a magnet. I learned my lesson the first time. Bro, what the fuck? When I installed this, I don't know if it just goes in hard the first time, but when I installed this turbo inlet pipe, it went in ridiculously hard. Pipe out. Don't forget to clean your pipe, kids. Nothing worse than a dirty pipe. These little Allen bolts that are in here, I think they're a 5. I don't remember specifically, I'm pretty sure it's a 5. Make sure you use a magnet for these. They're in the dumbest spot possible. It's always the one on the bottom, and when you put them in, a really good trick, put it on there and just put a little piece of tape, just enough so it's stuck on there like painter's tape or something. That way it's stuck to it, and then you put it in and get it, you know what I'm saying, so it doesn't fall off. Looking good so far. Everything's out. Turbo Smart is out. It's actually pretty clean too, there wasn't like much on it. Behold, the stock Bertha. Okay, Deutsch Auto says point it up, so we're going with up. You guys are having issues. I don't really have a good angle to film this. Hey. Okay, sick. Well, we're not out of it yet. I can still drop the wrench. Alright, she's all tight.
Hey, funkies. Hey, funky. How you doing? My hands are dirty, fella.
A little bit of oil on your ring. Drop her in. On where she likes to be. Try again. There we go. I'm also a weirdo and I like all these pointed the same direction. I don't know why. And just like that, we have restocked up. Back to stock. I'll probably let it run for a little while. I obviously you don't want to like do something like this and just immediately rip on it because the car thinks that the ECU has to adjust to what's going on. So I'll probably do some mild driving and then we'll do some ripping. I think Meg's gonna go with us. I'm so excited like what's coming next. So for everybody who doesn't know, this is like my first for a lot of stuff on this car. I've had this car fully apart. This is the first time I've had this car fully apart. We did the clutch, front mount intercooler. I've had this thing ripped apart like 9 different times in this driveway. It's so cool. I've learned so much by doing all of it myself. I've done literally everything. The turbo, anything's done on this, I've done myself. The clutch, I had help. I had a homie help me, Brandon. I couldn't have done it without him because I didn't know what I was doing, but like, it's so cool. I don't know. Anyway, besides the point, like the coilovers, that's gonna be my first set of coilovers. The brand new wheels, that's my first brand new set of wheels. I always buy stuff secondhand, so This is cool. The new wrap is gonna be like, I've never wrapped a car before, so the whole thing's gonna be crazy. The only thing I'm not gonna do is I'm not gonna wrap it myself. I want it done the right way. That way it'll last a little longer. And yeah, you know, I just want it to come out good. And I know wrap is hard, like from experience. I've helped a couple people and I don't want to do it myself. A juicy cold start. Alright, yeah, I'm just gonna let it run for a couple minutes. And then we'll go out and do some little driving, and then we'll do some ripping. Yo, I'm hyped. We're gonna be filming on the Insta360 for now on, I think. For those who don't know, GoPro sucks. I'm sorry if you use GoPro and you really like it and you don't have any problems with it. I have problems with them 24/7. The newest one, they get worse every time they come out. So I'm trying to move away from using the GoPro unless it's outside the car as like just something as an extra shot that I need. So we're trying the Insta360 on the inside. Hopefully the sound is okay and everything, but yeah. Let's go. Hello. Welcome back to the cabin. We'll let her warm up for a second. We'll go for a rip. Okay, thank you. So we're gonna let the car acclimate a little bit. Oh, it's so weird. I can already hear a difference. We're gonna let it acclimate a little bit, and then we're gonna do a little rip in and get some first impressions. Sweet. So initial impressions. First of all, it just started raining. I purposely didn't film yesterday because it wasn't supposed to rain, or it was supposed to and then it didn't. Now today it's not supposed to and it did. Whatever. Besides the point. Oh, it's weird. It actually sounds kind of cool. Ooh, okay. Oh, wait, okay, that's kind of sick. Hang on. What's interesting, I noticed something on the quick shifts. I can literally see it on the boost gauge. When you let off and I go and get back on throttle, there's still 5 pounds-ish of boost still in the line. Oh, okay, sick. Yeah, it's actually kind of cool. So to answer the question, let's answer the question that everybody already knows, but I'm going to answer because that's the point of this video and that's what my thumbnail is. Should you run a stock diverter valve or a blow-off valve? There is no reason on planet Earth to ever have to have a blow-off valve unless it's upgraded in the sense of a diverter valve where it can run more pressure than a stock one can. Otherwise, it is literally just for the sound. Just so everybody knows that, the only reason for a blow-off valve is for the sound. Better stay there. There's definitely a lot less lag on and off throttle. A lot less. And you also get some, I'm just gonna say it, there's still some pretty spicy noises in there. Yeah, okay. I'm not mad. I like it. Sick. Okay. Oh, it's a lot faster. I can't even argue it. It's a lot faster. I just want everybody to know, everybody who left their comment, it was like, nah, bro, you should be running the stock diverter with that. I was obviously not running it, not because I didn't know that, but just because it sounds way cooler. I've had this car apart 14,000 times in my driveway with shit everywhere. I know what it doesn't want, I know what you should do. Sometimes things just sound better and you look cooler, you know? Okay, now it's just pouring, so that's cool. Tunnel. I will say though, I don't even know if the blow-off valve is worth it. It really, like, cause you get different noises with this, but they're almost cooler. I don't know. They're a little bit cooler. Yeah, that's how I feel. Yes, sir. Can't see.
I know it's like everybody sees it on YouTube, but like I wish you guys understood how much of a psycho he is.
Oh, there's a Subi coming. Subi. He's pulling a trailer? It literally looks like his back bumper is hanging off. Film this with your phone, quick, hurry up. What are you doing? What the?
Yeah, there's no way
eventual, dude. What are you doing? Those windshields smashed. He just crashed.
Yeah,
that dude just crashed. He literally just, there's no way. He definitely just crashed and drove away. What the hell? What are you doing? What the?
Yeah, there's no way he did.
What is happening?
Like, finally settled down.
Okay, this feels faster. I don't know if I'm being stupid, but this feels faster.
It feels faster, yeah, but I haven't been on this car in forever either.
And I think it's not actually faster. I think it's just
Zoomies.
working the way it's supposed to, if that makes any
I
sense.
think it's the zoomies.
Yeah, my car's got the zoomies. He's being a good boy. Shifts, like, it's just there. Oh, yeah, okay. I'm really excited. This is the first time I've you guys crossing? Okay, sorry.
Oh, she's waving. Wave to her. That was so cute.
You guys going too? What is that?
Do you remember the first time I broke it?
Yeah,
And
you're like-
Cole? Was it Cole or was it no? I was like
Cole was the first one to break it.
Was he? Okay.
You were the first one to like, he
Notice
didn't tell
it.
me. Yeah, no, he pulled it off and was like,
Really? Oh yeah, because isn't it in a video?
it's in a video. Because I didn't know until afterwards.
Okay.
Sick. Anyway, what I was saying before you ripped my handle off, this is the first time I've put something back to stock that I actually like.
Back?
Anywho, I would recommend, don't ever buy a blow-off valve for this vehicle unless you really just want that sound. But even though, now that I'm hearing this and that, I'm just saying, if you want a blow-off valve for this car, this is what I said a while ago. Get the ECS spacer, the little thin one, not the thick one, the little thin one. Because then you still have plenty of room for clearance. You're still utilizing the stock diverter valve, and you're just turning it into a blow-off valve if you really want the sound, and that's only 50 bucks. And then that way, if you want to put it back, it's literally just a boop boop, done.
Okay.
Literally takes 5 minutes. Let me know down below, is the audio on this camera better? Because I'm really trying to just use this camera for, I feel like it's way more versatile for what I'm trying to do, and I hate GoPro. It crashes every 5 minutes and footage is always screwed up. Alrighty, I'm gonna end this video off here. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video, and I hope you're enjoying the content that I'm bringing to you before we do the big stuff, because I got some stuff coming that's gonna be really exciting. Hope you guys are excited. Until next time, just keep driving, keep it real, and your boy will catch you in the next one. We're out. Peace.